Got 26 points on the Nifty. 18,619 is where we are at. And we're going to basically have a slightly higher close. Bank Nifty will come up on your screen. The big standout loser was the IT index. I don't think we saw any real big recovery by close. TechM, TCS, Infosys, Persistent, Emphasis, Coforge, Cyient, Zensar. These are some of the large and mid and small cap IT losers that we had in terms of trade. Prima.
Well, you know, the Nifty at 3 o'clock was at 18,550. So in a span of 30 minutes, in the last 30 minutes, as the Fin Nifty expiry played out, we saw the Nifty rally more than about 50 points to close above that 18,600 mark, a gain of about 0.1-0.2%. IT, as Prashant pointed out, was a sore loser with a cut of 1.75%, with names like Tech Mahindra, Infosys and TCS down more than a percent, inching towards a 2% knock. Wipro, HCL Tech also bleeding in trade. Bharti Airtel took a bit of a knock. ICICI Bank reversed some of yesterday's losses. On the gaining side, cement did well. Ultratech Cement was up 3%. That was your top Nifty gainer. In the private sector banking space, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Axis Bank looked quite smart. Gains of 1.5 to 2%. And you had some green on the screen for auto names like Tata Motors, Maruti and Hero MotoCorp.
Never a dull moment in the mid-cap market, is there? Look at some of the gainers today. HBL Power Systems again up 14% on expectations that they'll have more orders coming their way with enhanced safety mechanisms being deployed by the Indian Railways. Kernex Micro was up 5%. Similar story playing out there. Nelco, which is looking at a small acquisition or a part acquisition, 13% up on that stock. Cement was really robust even beyond the index names. So whether you're looking at Ambuja, Shree Cement, ACC, Sanghi Industries, because of all the M&A buzz that surrounds that company. So pretty interesting names coming in from the cement pack. Some more gainers included a fact from the fertilizer space. Even NFL, fertilizers were quite hot. Now we're talking about monsoons finally perhaps coming our way. 7% up on fact today. Mahindra CIE managed a 7% up move as well. So very interesting moves. Force Motors, by the way, is up about 12%. So mid-caps, small caps, absolutely never a dull moment. Just want to mention IEX. On the downside of the screen, that's one stock that stood out because of the update that came in, where pricing has come under pressure at the exchange. And that seems to be, of course, a bit of a negative reaction coming in. Nykaa lost some ground after the rush that we saw yesterday. But otherwise, more green than red for sure on the mid-cap market.
The advanced decline ratio also in favor of the gaining side, about 1,700 stocks closing with gains for about 1,270 stocks closing in the red. The Nifty's final tick is around that 18,618. You spoke about Force Motors. Well, they came out with their May sales numbers just today, and those numbers look quite smart. Well, on that note, it's a wrap and closing bell. Don't go anywhere. Our Tuesday special Commodity Champions comes up next.